Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. Today, I want to share my daily routine with you. We will look at a simple day in my life. It's a great way to learn easy and natural English together. I hope you find it relaxing and helpful. If you enjoy learning English like this, please like this video, leave a little comment, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me create more videos for you. So, let's begin my day. The first thing I do is wake up in the morning. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock. I don't use a loud alarm. Instead, I use a gentle sound that wakes me up slowly. After I open my eyes, I stay in bed for a few moments. I think about the day ahead. Then, I get up and walk to my window. I always open the window to let in the fresh air. I love the feeling of cool morning air on my skin. It helps me feel awake and refreshed. The world outside is quiet at this time. It's a peaceful way to start the day. Next, I make my bed. This is a very important part of my morning. I smooth the sheets and arrange the pillows neatly. I like my room to look clean and simple. When my bed is made, my whole room feels more organized. A clean space makes me feel calm and ready for the day. It's a small habit, but it makes a big difference in how I feel. My room is my sanctuary, and I like to keep it tidy. After that, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite place in the morning. It's quiet and filled with soft light. I make a cup of coffee or sometimes a cup of warm tea. I love the smell of coffee brewing. It's a comforting scent. I usually sit at my small table and sip my drink slowly. I enjoy these quiet mornings. I don't rush. I just sit and enjoy the silence before the day gets busy. This is my time to think and just be. Then, it's time to get ready for the day. I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. I use a gentle cleanser on my skin. It feels nice and clean. After that, I choose my clothes. I like to wear comfortable clothes, especially when I am at home. I often choose a soft sweater and simple pants. Comfort is very important to me. It helps me feel relaxed while I work. In the afternoon, I work or study. I am an English teacher, so I often prepare my lessons. I also spend time reading and learning new things myself. I make sure to take short breaks every hour. During my breaks, I stand up and stretch a little. Sometimes, I walk around the room or look out the window. I also drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's important to stay hydrated. These small breaks help my mind stay fresh and focused. In the evening, I cook a simple dinner. I enjoy cooking, but I don't cook complicated food on weekdays. Simple meals are good for me. Tonight, I might make some soup with vegetables or a light pasta dish. I like using fresh ingredients. Cooking can be a very relaxing activity. It helps me wind down after a day of work. After dinner, I clean the kitchen a little. I wash the dishes and wipe the counters. I like to keep things tidy so I can wake up to a clean space the next morning. At night, I slow down. This is my time to relax my mind and body. I like to read a book. I am currently reading a lovely novel. Sometimes I listen to soft music instead. I find that classical music or ambient sounds are very calming. I try not to use my phone too much before bed. The bright screen can make it hard to fall asleep. I prefer quiet, screen-free activities to prepare for a good night's rest. Finally, I get ready for bed. I change into my pajamas and do my skincare routine. I feel relaxed and thankful for the day. I think about the good things that happened, even the small ones. It's a nice way to end the day on a positive note. Then, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Here are some useful English sentences from today's video. You can practice them. I wake up early in the morning. I make a warm cup of coffee. I relax and read a book in the evening. Thank you for spending this day with me. It was lovely to share my routine with you. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.